Hello and welcome back to the channel. Good morning to all of you. Hopefully all you are doing well. So today I will share with you job openings from Jordan. It's a Gulf country. I hope you all know that. So guys, if you have a interest or if you have a plan to move Jordan with a job, then you can watch this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply. As this is the urgent vacancies, you can apply as soon as possible so that you can get a good salary with a good job in Jordan. So let's start. This is an urgent requirement for Jordan in garment company. So guys, if you are interested to apply in garment company and if you have the previous experience, then apply as soon as possible. Start listing in progress. Kindly interview start. Number one, Tailor. Number two, final checker. Number three, line supervisor. Number four, machine mechanic. Number five, production supervisor. So there are five types of job openings from Jordan, and there is the urgent vacancies from Jordan. So candidates should have valid passport, experience certificates, and photograph. So guys, as I already told you, if you have previous experience in the garments industry, then you can make your CV be updated and attach your experience certificates with all the educational qualification details and visit to the office. As you can see here, there have a official address in Mumbai. So first of all, I would like to tell you, before you contact, you can also contact in this number, but before you contact this number, you can better option, you can visit the office, and after you visit the office you can inquire in the requirement and the job openings details, so that if once you get satisfied or if you can get genuine process in this requirements, then you can apply as soon as possible on the spot and submit your CV, your certificates, and your all details, educational certificates, experience certificates, and passport, and scan copy, and also photograph. So after you apply on the spot, keep this contact number and talk with the executives and ask about the client interview date and time. Then you can attend the interview, and once you crack the interview, they will guide you how to start the next process like medical process and visa process. Then you can get a job without waste of money and waste of time. There are some basic requirements. If you are fulfilling, then you can eligible for interview. After that, once you get selected from the interview, the minimum charges will be applied from the company. I don't have any idea, but my strongly suggestions, before you paying any single money to any persons, first of all you need to verify, you need to 100% confirm, then only you can pay the money to any persons. So my each and every videos, if you can see in the previous videos, I am always sharing with you, I am giving you the informations, but your responsibility, you have to verify, you have to check it properly. Once you get confirmed that this is the genuine process, then you can move forward and you can apply in the proper process. After you apply, of course you can attend the interview. Once you're getting success from the interview, the rest process will be started by the company. And once you get 100% confirmed work permit or work visa, then you can pay them and 100% sure about them. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you. This is the urgent vacancies from Jordan, and this is the official address. So my strongly suggestion to you, please first of all visit to the office, inquire about the requirements, and if you will think it's genuine, then only you can apply on the spot. After you apply, they will guide you how to move to next process. So guys, I am repeating you first of all that very important point is, I don't want any of my subscriber or any of my viewers facing any type of cheating or fraud. That's why I'm telling again and again, I am giving you the information. Please verify and please check it. Once you get confirmed, then you can visit the office, and after your confirmation, then only you can proceed forward. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end, and I hope you share this informations, and please suggest who want to apply for this job in Jordan. Suggest them that directly visit to the office and inquire about the requirements. After you confirmed, then you can apply as soon as possible. I'm telling again and again, this is very, very important point. Don't waste your time and waste your money without any confirmation. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. Of course, in the next video, I will try to give you the information regarding the new job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel, check each and every videos, and if you have a dream to move abroad with a job, then apply which is your related to your professionals and try to attend the client interview. After you attending many types of client interview, you will gain experience so that your percentage of interview success will be high so that you can crack the interview. So again, best of luck. Goodbye.